Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How's it going?
I'm good. Thank you.
I'm pretty well. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to learn about another text. Before that, I want to ask some question. Have you ever heard about another text? What is another text? Anyone person know about it? Okay.
In my opinion, the narrative text is like a fable, so fairy tale and folktale.
Okay, good answer. Another text like us a fairy tale, folk tale, and anything else. So, but before that, I look you so unmotivated. Why? Because it's the last hour for today.
Yeah.
You are so unmotivated. Okay, I want you to play the game with me. I have two games. Games one, the rule is when I said Jackson, you act who, ha. You get it?
Yes.
I repeat again. When I said Jackson, you act who, ha. Okay? You get it?
Okay.
And then when I said Jackson, you're doing who, ha. Who, ha. You got it?
Yes.
But you do it with spirit. I want your spirit again. Okay?
Okay.
Let's start it. Jackson.
Who? Ha.
Jackson.
Who? Ha.
Jackson.
Who?
Ha.
Who? Ha.
It's still not yet a spirit. It's still not give out. If we continue about the next game. And the next game, the rules is like when but before that, I want to divide you be several groups. One group in complement two person. So like Nico and Emilia, Itza and Kirani, Hani and Alvita, Revana and Oka, and Firly and Lenita. Okay, you can face your partner. You can face in your partner. Okay, let's. The game is comment in my mode. When I said clap, when I say clap, you clap your hand once. You clap your hand once. You get it?
Yes.
When I said clap, you clap once. Okay?
Yeah.
And then when I said boom, in the table once. You get it?
Yes.
And when I said catch, you take the phone in front of you. You and your partner scramble. You get it? Okay, we start the game. Clap, clap, boom, boom, clap, catch. Okay. Applause for we all. Okay, ladies. Now we are going to learn about another text, and I will explain about what is another text. Okay, narrative text. is a narrative text. My student, before we study anything, we have to know what the purpose we learn about it. For example, what the purpose we learn about a narrative text. You get it? The purpose of we learn about a narrative text is we know that the narrative text is for entertain the reader. And the narrative text is a story what happened or occurred in the past. It can be fiction or non-fiction. Okay. And the social function from narrative text is communicative target is to entertain and to amuse the reader. Have you ever read a novel?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Are you fulfilled or interested with novel after you read the novel?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes we read about a story in narrative text. Our imaginative is so deeply. Okay. And then we are moved to the generic structure. First, we are going to explain about what is the generic structure of the narrative text. First, there are orientation. What is orientation? In the story, it concludes to introducing from the story. In the name from the narrative text is orientation. What is orientation? The orientation is introduce the place, figure, time, place, characters, and anything else. So, in orientation, we look at the characters and time is upward. Okay, and then we are going to complication. The complication is where the conflict or problem is appear. The first problem is appear, okay. And then there are the resolution. A resolution is the solving of the conflict. In complication, there are the problem, and in the resolution, the problem to solve. You get it?
Yes.
And then last is reorientation. Reorientation is a closing remark to the story. It's optional, consists of moral lesson, advice, or teaching from the writer. Okay, my friends, there is in the last story or in the end of the story, maybe we get the moral values from the story. Maybe we know or maybe we not. Okay. And the moral values or advice, the teaching from the writer is in reorientation. You get it? Okay. From this, there are any question? No. Okay, I hope you all make your sense. Okay, and the next is what the kinds of the narrative text. First, there are fable. A fable is a short story, typically with animals as a character. And talking a moral, the characters in fable are usually animals. And animals is usually doing like as a human. They can speak, they can listening, they can move or activity like as a human in a fable. Maybe when we was child, we ever heard about the story Mouse Deer and Crocodile, yeah, Mouse Deer and Gopher, Mouse Deer and anything else. Okay. This is a fable. Fable is one of the kind of a narrative text. And then there are legend, ballads, and folk tales. Legend is a story of a narrative that lies somewhere between myth and historical fact in which us and rule is about particular figure or person. So, the legend is teaching us about historical someplace. And then there are ballads. Ballad is a type of tune that tells a story and was traditionally set to music. Okay. And then there are folktales. Folktale is a old story that's being told again and again, often for generation. Maybe in our environment, we ever heard about Sangkuriang. Sangkuriang is one of the folktales in our country. There are Timun Mas is also folktales, and there are Ande Ande Lumut and Spotted folktales. Yeah. And then there are fairy tale. A fairy tale is a story that belongs to the folklore genre. Such stories typically feature magic, enhancement, and mythical or fanciful. So, in fairy tale, the plot is not in our life, not in our midst. It's unexpected, such as Cinderella, Peter Pan. Did you ever watch about Peter Pan?
Yes.
Okay, Cinderella. The story tells about a princess meets with prince. The princess lives there. That's it. Okay, and then there are science fiction. It's mixed between science and fiction. And then there are modern fantasy. Modern fantasy is a literary genre characterized by exotic locales, paranormal elements, and mythic origins. Maybe we know about paranormal. There are some modern fantasy. And there are grammar use of language feature. Yes, there are some language feature in another text. There are simple past tense. Do you know simple past tense? I ever teach you about simple past tense. Did you still remember what's simple past tense?
Yes, Master.
Yes, okay. Simple past tense, it's used for the past condition. Okay. For example, he realized that he had to do better. And the formula from the simple past tense is subject plus verb to, such as this maybe I went, not I go, but I went. And then there are past continuous. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb in. For example, I was listening to the music when mom was coming to my room. It tells the author that that past happened. And they are past perfect. The formula is subject plus and plus verb T. For example, we had worked together before one of us got married. Yeah. And the past perfect continuous. They are subject plus been plus verb A. And example, my friend said he had been exploring the country in this 20s. Thank you for reading. Okay, student. Until now, there are some questions for me. No. Let's make your sense about another text. Okay, we are moved to do a worksheet. Okay, before I have divide you with some several group, one group conclude 2%, and then we are going to segment about multiple choice question about some Korean. Okay, do you bring your phone? Okay. And the link I sent in WA group. Got? Okay, student, have you found the link from Google Formulaire?
Yes.
Okay, please attention my wait. This is some tasks about multiple choice. and you have to read the story about the legend Tangkuban Perahu. Okay. Please write your name and your class, and then you doing the task about Sangkuriang. You got it?
Yes.
Please choose the correct question. Start. President, have you finished two assignment?
Yes.
Okay. What your score? What your score?
Five.
Is you all correct or all incorrect?
Incorrect.
There are 100 points. No? As you know, I have a gift for you when you got 100 points.
Yeah.
But because they are not get 100 points, I gift is useless. Okay, we next do game. We are going to play the anagram. You know anagram? Anagram is randomly watch and you arrange the words correctly. You get it?
Yes.
Let's start the game. This attention in the game word wall. This is the word have our correlation with another text. There are
Resolution.
resolution. You can try it in the front of. Let's fill out here. Please. Up. Are you answer is correct or not? Press. Okay, the next question.
Legend.
Okay,
Legend.
let's ahead. Rizky atau bukan? God from Rizky. And then more. They are not. What is it? Generic structure from another text. Generic structure from another text. What is it? What is it? Generic structure from another text. Yeah, ready that? Move up. Yes. Yes. Okay. Complication, not complication. And then there are three words. So, Rafana, can you answer the question? One of the title of fairy tale. Be careful. Rafana, think about that sauce later.
Ini nggak bisa.
You know what is
Oh iya.
Okay, some Korean.
Is rata-rata.
Some Korean.
Sorry,
Yes.
Yeah.
Formal.
Sorry.
Okay, my dear student, after you knowing as well about the narrative text, you are going to the last segment. It's about you have to story again or retell the story about one of a fairy tale. Let's look at this video. One of a fairy tale.
My dear Belle, you're so ahead of your time. This is a small village.
You are the most gorgeous thing I've ever seen. Nobody deserves you.
And it's small-minded as well. But small also means safe.
I've come to my father.
He's a thief.
Come into the light. I will escape, I promise.
Look, my girl.
Who said that?
Hello.
You can talk.
Well, of course. It's all he ever does.
How lovely to make your acquaintance.
Want to see you do a trick? What happens when the last petal falls?
The Nastel remains a beast forever. And we become antiques. What did you do to it?
Nothing.
Get out of here! Go!
You have to.
Okay. Did you know what's the title from this fairy tale? Beauty and the Beast. Okay, my dear student, the last assignment is you have to write again with your own word about Beauty and the Beast, and you present in the front of your classmate. But this assignment for next week, so I hope you doing this assignment as well because you have to get point the best from this. There are any question from this statement? Okay, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. And the last then the last I want to say thank you for this meeting. I hope you you get a point what is the narrative text and you know as well about the narrative text. Yeah. And my student, if you have a heart to know about this narrative text, you can contact me in my via number. You get it?
Yes.
Okay. I think it's enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.